What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, you're so much welcome, and kindly make sure you subscribe. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So today is on a Friday, 9:46. I just got home na nimechoka, but I thought it's good to do this video right now before I sleep. So I got a gift that I want to unwrap or unbox with you guys, and it's here. I think you can already guess what's in the box because of the shape and the size. And here is another clue. Yeah, so I want to unbox with you guys. I'm so happy to get this. I've always wanted this thing, but the right time is today. The wait was worth it. Yeah, so let's unbox together and expect more content. It's about to get amazing.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
I like the package, especially the bag. It can be really convenient when carrying around. And yeah, there's the champion of the day.
Just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see. Boy, I know where I wanna be. Yeah, just wanna know what you love in me. Boy, yeah,
So guys, you can see how tall it is. I actually needed such a long tripod, and finally I have it. Yeah, and the best part of it is that it's of the best quality. Like, this is far the best quality for a phone tripod, and I'm so grateful for this. I'm so happy, guys. So this is it. That was the gift. I don't know if you guessed right or wrong. Tell me in the comment section. But before that, let's do a test of the new videography and photography item in the house.
my dreams, you the prince and I'm the car. Fairy tales, I'm the hills that you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and more. I just think the empathy so crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if I'm ever on a drown, I need to hear it from you. And we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in his hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach.
So I had this ring light, which was also a gift, but I've had it for like a very long period, and its stand was getting weaker, and somehow at some point it broke here. So its purpose will be only lighting, like the ring light will now be the ring light, and the stand will be a stand. But the good thing with this tripod is that it can also work as a stand for the ring light. I can also put this ring light on that stand. But yeah, that's on our new baby. And for now guys, you'll be able to see me like full body, full view. So expect groom videos and dress with me videos and all those kind of videos, and even cooking videos. Every video will be coming. Yeah, so simnajionea. Yeah, so that's it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching, but I think this vlog will continue, and if not, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and you need to have guessed what the gift was. And also you can comment an emoji, a black emoji for the black tripod stand, and gray for the gray tying knots and the screws, and white for the white ring light. Yeah, and black for the top that I'm wearing. So thank you for watching to this far. I hope you enjoyed. Continue watching my videos, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Anything I thought where you talk, I go do.
Who's this fair? Hi-dee-da-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do. Hi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. Above us all there will always be sunshine, and there always will be time to play. Time went by.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can get